To us at Vox, your logo, your icon, your brand is the most precious commodity your company has. Whatever your vision is, or what your culture is for your brand, we can make custom products to match that.
At Vox, we can pretty much make anything you think of, whether it be apparel or bags, to things like longboards and dartboards, all the way to electronics and drinkware. We've done it all.
We know our clients are busy, so Vox comes in as an extension of their own team. And we go in, and with 22 years of experience, we know all the ins and outs that they might run into going through the process, and we take care of it for them.
They always come back and say, yeah, we can get that for you, or we've totally done that before. They understand the style and the quality we're looking for, and they give us a really good experience from start to finish. They do a great job making sure that it's easy for us and we don't have to stress when we're working with them.
We used to use a lot of retail brands before for a lot of our promotional items, but at a fraction of the cost, we're able to go through Vox and do a lot of customizations that are superior, and we love all of the options that they present to us.
Culture's the lifeblood of any company. It's the reason that you retain the best talent, and it's what makes employees enjoy coming to work on a daily basis. Vivint Smart Home and Vox's relationship is so important, and it's actually been the main contributor to us winning and being awarded by Inc. magazine as the top employer for employee swag.
We're there to give you updates along the way, let you know what your product is, making sure that you know every step of the way what's going on.
This is not an easy process, but we have clients come back to us all the time and tell us how easy the process was for them, how clear the communication was, and in the end, how much they loved the product.
The details in your brand matter. It's what sets you apart from your competition. From your design, to manufacturing, to fulfillment, we bring it all together.